anniversary of the following personalities. Radhakrishna Chaudhary, 15 February 1921 to 15 March 1985. One of the famous writer of Bihar. Along with this, he was also a historian and a thinker. Radhakrishna Chaudhary contributed to the historical and archaeological study of Bihar as well as the Maithili literature. He published many original theses on the history of the Bihar. He was born on 15 February 1921. Naresh Mehta, 15 February 1922 to 22 November 2000, a renowned Hindi poet and one of the top writers of the Jnanpith Award, who is known for his deep vision of Indianness. Naresh Mehta gave a new dimension to the modern poetry with a new euphemism. Naresh Mehta also edited the Chautha Sansar, Hindi daily published from Indore. He was born on 15 February 1922 in Shahjahanpur, British India. K.G. Subramaniam, 15 February 1924 to 29 June 2016, an Indian sculptor and muralist. He was one of the pioneers of Indian modern art. He was born on 15 February 1924. Radha Vallabh Tripathi, a famous literature, mainly he is known as an eminent literature of the Sanskrit language. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1994 for his poetry collection Sandhanam. Radha Vallabh Tripathi is a scholar who gave the culture of modernity to Sanskrit and a prolific writer and the storyteller of Hindi. He was born on 15th February 1949 in Rajgah, Madhya Pradesh. Date anniversary. 15th February in India, history is observed as the date anniversary of the following personalities. Ghalib or Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan, 27 December 1797 to 15 February 1869, to the whole world known as the Mirza Ghalib. He is considered the greatest Urdu Persian poet of all time and is also credited with the popularizing the flow of Persian poetry, which were not published at the time, are also considered important documents of Urdu writing. Ghalib is known as an important poet in India and Pakistan. He got the title of Dabir-ul-Mulk and Nazam-ul-Dulha. Ghalib remained independent all his life, but never allowed his glory to diminish. Not one of their 7 children survived. The pension with which he and his house had got support was also stopped. Ghalib belonged to the Nawabi family and held a high position in the Mughal court. He died on 15 February 1869. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, 16 August 1904 to 15 February 1948, a well-known Hindi poet and writer. 2 of her poetry collections and 3 story collections were published, but here fame is due to the poem Jhansi Ki Rani. Subhadra ji was a conscious poet of the natural consciousness, but she expressed her feeling in the story after suffering many jail tortures in the freedom struggle. The language of the depiction oriented style in simple and the poetic, due to which the simplicity of the composition is heard wrenching. She died on 15 February 1948. Notable event on 15 February in Indian and world history. In 1564, the great astronomer Galileo was born. In 1677, the English King Charles made an alliance with the Dutch against France. In 1763, a peace treaty was signed between Australia and Russia. In 1764, the city of St. Louis in America was founded. In 1942, Singapore surrenders to the Japanese army during World War II. In 1944, Berlin was bombed by hundreds of the British plans. In 1965, maple leaves were included in the official flag of Canada. In 1967, election to the 4th Lok Sabha were held in India. In 1976, Central Agriculture Research Institute was established in Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. In 2000, famous film director B.R. Chopra was presented the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. In 2003, the telecommunication satellite Intelsat was launched into space by the Ariane 4 rocket. In 2008, the first conference of Navy Chiefs of Indian Ocean Coast Countries was held in New Delhi. In 2010, Kathak dancer Prerna Shrimalli of Jaipur Gharana was selected for the 2009 Sangeet Natak Academy Award. In 2010, Ahmad Muiz attacked the Silda camp in the Midnapur district of West Bengal. Around 24 soldiers were buried in this attack.